Right, now let's take a look at lesson 6, 第六课. And the title is 我会说汉语. Okay, let's try not to depend on the pinyin, please. Let's just more depend on the Chinese characters. Look at the pinyin only when it's necessary. Okay. I 会 is be able to or can. 说 is to speak or to say. It's one of those words that has a lot of meanings. 汉语 Chinese, the language Chinese. Chinese as a person. You see, 中国人 China person, right? Or if we want to say Chinese as an adjective, like Chinese products or Chinese dish, right? We say 中国. 汉语 literally means Han language. Yu is language, and Han is the name of the most biggest ethnic groups in China. About some 90 something population, and 90 something percent population, and most of them speak Han and speak Chinese. I'm one of them, and there are other minorities, ethnic groups, and these most of them speak their own language, which is completely different from Chinese. Right, now let's take a look at the conversation. Number one. Number one happens in the school. 在学校. That's school, 学校. A says, 你会说汉语吗? Yes or no? You can speak Chinese, right? So the teacher is asking many non-native Chinese kids, 你会说汉语吗? And B says, 我会说汉语. No problem. I can speak Chinese. Straightforward. If you remember the meaning of each word, the sentence is very obvious. And A says, 你妈妈会说汉语吗? 你妈妈会说汉语吗? And the B says, 她不会说. A cannot. We said in Chinese is not can. 不 is used before any verb to mean don't or not, right? So she can't is 她不会 or 她不会说. Now, conversation number 2, we have A saying, 中国菜好吃吗? 中国 China is used before when it's used before a noun, it means Chinese, becomes adjective. 中国菜 Chinese food or cuisine, right? Dish or cuisine. 好吃吗? Good eating. This is a new word. Good eating or good eat is a new word, means delicious. So, and in this sentence, is Chinese food delicious? The word is omitted because 好吃 is an adjective. And we learned when A is B and B is an adjective, the word is gone. So is Chinese food delicious? And B says, 中国菜很好吃, very 好吃. Remember how you write 吃, okay? As a mouth to the swan, if you remember the story. Now, A says, 你会做中国菜吗? The word 做 is to do or to make. Another very complicated word. 做中国菜, make Chinese food. You can make Chinese food. Can you make Chinese food? And B says, 我不会做. I cannot. I not can make Chinese food. Right, so that's again very straightforward. But now we have a couple of new words here. 吃 on its own is to eat. It's a 吃中国菜, eat Chinese food. 好吃 is a one word, means delicious. 菜 is food, 中国菜 Chinese food. 爱尔兰菜 Irish food. 法国菜 French food. What else? 意大利菜, yeah, Italian food. Right, now, number 3, we have 你 会写汉字吗? In Chinese, we don't spell Chinese words because we don't have letters. So we write Chinese characters. 写 is to write. 汉字, we talked about Han. That's the name of the ethnic group. It also can be translated into Chinese or Han Chinese. Right? 字 is a Chinese character. Looks like the word 学, study, right? Missing 2 dots here. You add 2 dots here, it's study. Take off away 2 dots, you have 字, 汉字, Chinese characters. And the answer is 我会写 I can, I'm able to write. Now this sentence, 这个字怎么写? 怎么 is a new word. It means how. When you place 怎么 before a verb, how to write, that's the meaning. Or how to say, 怎么说, that's a very important phrase that you should learn. 怎么说, how to speak, how to say, right? For example, apple, 怎么说, right? How do you say apple? 苹果, right? That's apple, by the way. 怎么写, 怎么说, or 怎么做, how to do it. 怎么吃, how do you eat it, right? So all these, what anything else? Okay, right. So remember this 怎么 plus verb, how to do that. 这个字, 个, we learned that, we talked about that before, is the most commonly used measure word. 这 is this one, so you can translate the measure word into one sometimes. This one character, how to write. So basically means how to write this one character. Why this Chinese character, this character is placed at the beginning of the sentence. I call it the Yoda structure. We emphasize it. Right? Tomorrow, I'm sorry, school we go to. Tomorrow we go. Or food we eat. That's the structure. Emphasize 怎么写这个字 is actually the correct order. This character. And B says 对不起 sorry 这个字我会读 读 is to read. You can say 读书 read books. 不会写 I can read it, I cannot write it. Right? 这个字我会读不会写. And again, Yoda structure to emphasize. You should the normal order of the sentence would be 我会读这个字，我不会写这个字. It's a lot of omission in this small part. All right. So that's pretty much it. Not many Chinese grammar points. A couple of new words that's very useful. 好吃菜做很 is also very important. 你好吗？我很好. That's the same 很. And a couple of grammar points in conversation number 3 that we have this 这 to this and 个 字 this one Chinese character. The most important one is 怎么 怎么 is how to write 怎么写 how to read how to 怎么读对吧 how to speak how to say it 怎么说对不起 sorry 这个字我会读 and then the Yoda structure you put something at the beginning of the sentence to emphasize it. Alright, so that's pretty much it for lesson 6 I think. I will see you next lesson. Bye bye.